You crazy for this one, Rick.
How you think I'm in the studio without a deal? The way that I be ballin', you would think it's unreal. It's a game of fortune, so spin the wheel. Game on like I got it still. Half fell off, but I'm on it. Been living life in a moment. Briggs mom so damn wrinkled, that bitch is my opponent. She been a crackhead for the longest. Damn, she don't want it, but damn right she can get it. Black dude, he done hit it. Don't get me wrong, she fucking to keep her lights on. That is some hoe shit. Sucking up them black dicks, not 2 bricks. Your small dick and your pimple face and your pressed ass. Wearing them same cargos, trying to bust the damn sag. Damn nigga, you ain't black, just vibe with it and relax. You and your mom will do anything just for a sat with her saggy titty and her loose cunt. She fuck 5 deuce in 1 month. Old bitch just act your age. Heard your ass got AIDS. And that cancer, hopping on Dick's Prancer. Hate to bring it up, but that bitch a go dancer. Damn, she ratchet. Damn, y'all ratchet. Y'all are not seeing me like a closed casket. Damn, she ratchet. Hell no, y'all ratchet. Y'all are not seeing me like a closed casket. One shot, shout it. You whack as fuck. You and your mom need to wrap it up. Y'all press as fuck. Y'all lame as fuck. All about the mouth, but won't get bugged. Be begging me to get with me. Be telling me how you still in love with me. Fuck your ass. I rest your ass. Got me a new man, replace that ass. Too cool with it. I killed this beat. You and your mom teeth is buttery. Fuck your crew, fuck your set. I'm chopping heads, including necks. Quit texting me, quit calling me. Oh my god, your ass stalking me. I block that ass, erase that ass. Y'all lame as fuck, forget y'all ass.